How's it going, everyone? We've got a really exciting flash sale to talk about. Now, normally flash sales only last a little bit of time. They're here and then they're gone. This time though, we're expanding it. It's a month-long flash sale. It's live now. It will be lasting all the way through the end of March. So we've got some really cool flashlights included in this sale. So let's just jump right into it. Now, first up, we've got the T1 in dark green. This is a variant I wish I had with me to show you because it's really cool. Infinity modes, 1500 lumens. A lot of you know what this light is about. It's a great rechargeable everyday carry light. It's 30% off, which takes it down to $32.16. A fantastic price. Next up, we've got the TC20. Now, this is a light I just recently talked about. It's definitely a fantastic multi-purpose light, a mid-size light. It runs on a 26-650 battery, 3800 lumens, 25,000 candelas, and 30% off. So this is a light that we're really excited about offering at this price. Next up, we've got the TN50, our most powerful flashlight, 16,000 lumens, over 42,000 candelas at the center. And normally it's gonna cost you about $270. With this 30% off, it's gonna take it down to $181. If you need a lot of power, this is the way to go. The fourth light is our TN36. Now, this isn't just the normal TN36, this is the TN36 with the charging bundle. That means you're gonna get all 4 of the 18650 batteries that power the TN36, as well as the charger. And with a 20% off on this light, it takes it all the way down to about $150. You're gonna be saving a lot of money here with the purchase of the TN36 bundle. Other lights included in this flash sale are the W1 in blue and the W1 in green, another really great EDC option. And with the flash sale, it's only 23 bucks for either one of these. So it's a great bargain. Pick one up if you haven't. And now for the last light we have on sale, the most exciting one, the Catapult V6 SST70. To celebrate the launch of this light, we're marking it down by 20%. I should be getting this V6 within the next couple of days, so it's definitely on my list for next week to compare it to the original. I'm really excited to have that in person. So thanks for watching. We really think this flash sale has a light for everyone out there. If you really love a ThruNite flashlight, we'd love for you to leave your thoughts in the form of a review over on ThruNite.com. If you do leave a review, shoot us over an email at review@ThruNite.com for a little surprise. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.